Yeah, fellow Ambazonians, brothers and sisters, I don't decide to come up for produce this video because I don't get enough of this struggle. I don't get enough for people they try to destroy, for play with people their lives, play with people their livelihood. I don't get a fair share of this struggle. In the beginning of this struggle, we'll be there online, but I be say the thing we don't be organized some way we will not be need for the stand online every day. We go live of people the things say everything can go forward. But I don't stand say the government, the people they claim say they want to be the leaders of this struggle, they not be different from Paul Biya. They not be different from the CPDM regime where they don't destroy it for 56 years. When we look into the way the short time where this struggle don't delay for 2 years today, we follow and we try to take a track record of what it don't happen. As he say, we are not going anywhere. I don't come up for make this video because after I don't listen to Chris Anu, the recent audio we sent out for clarify the doubt from which we John Bakoro talk, it don't make me for come out because I don't see and say it be like say these people don't know what they do. But we get to make one know say Ambazonians are not mad people. We know how many pikin they don't die for this struggle. We know how many people they don't lose their eyes, legs, they don't be maimed perpetually for life, they don't get used again. Their future don't be buried because of this struggle. We don't struggle for come out with everything. Greed no go live for now. What makes you people different from La Republic? I want to make una. I've been talking to the interim government, to the AGCs, to the SCYA. I did talk to the consortium, the one they call themselves the consortium. I did talk to the Bohe by your own fraction. I call all of you the leaders. I want to tell una say, I don't discuss on I want to take we, Ambazonians, take and play Boka. We don't want to take and play Jambo. The level where people don't put we here, it don't be enough. And I'm not think say Ambazonian for today, the generation for today go be prepared for say a second set of people like who na can't take we get mess up with them. This video is set up for the ground, for the general leadership of this struggle of today. I want make any person who read this video, will listen to me. Make this message go to Cho Ayaba. Make you listen to this message. Make the interim government members they listen to this message. Make Bo Herbert, Jomba Akoro. I talk with all Akwanga Ebenezer. Now for una they talk because of the leadership. Una they play with people. Una they play with fire. I want make una know. Una really play with fire. People don't sacrifice everything, but yet, because of greed, una don't be prepared for bury this struggle, for make me then kill everybody from Ambazonia before una come to una senses. If una think so, una go take Ambazonia and their lives, take and play Jambo, take and play Boka, then una don't lose. And I call on anybody who don't contribute money for this struggle. We don't contribute in various forms. It must not only be cash. People don't sacrifice a lot for this struggle. Where they pass every money so other money get physical cash. When we talk about contribution, it's not only physical cash. Because they don't sacrifice their school, pass the cash for people they get. Man, we don't lose one leg, he don't lose one eye. He pass cash €1 million, he go get. That is more than that. I want to talk about this struggle. I call una. Ambazonia, it's high time for you to listen and understand that we are going nowhere with this leadership. We not forget about all these AGCs. We not forget about the SCYA. We not forget about this interim government. We get to come out with a new structure where we go to carry out this struggle. Because as I say, we are going nowhere. If not, we are bound to destruction. People don't think go contribute money, send and say, we not take and go for ground zero for assist. We don't start fight on top of the money. So to know the shame for sending for we online. We not the color people. There's something wrong with you guys. I want to tell you something. Leadership not be about it not be about what they call a PhD. I think when I think say that una PhD when I carry for una any man will say PhD. We don't need that one. An ordinary mechanic is even better and far better than somebody with PhD who is a fool, who cannot think. Most of them will be heartless, will be selfless. Will not they think, will did the same like beer. That blood for CPDM don't enter on our veins. And they talk to Ambazonians. Please stop contributing your money to these guys. Stop giving your money to people to go and sleep prostitute with. Please stop giving your money to people to go and drink their wine and their whiskey with. Please send your money directly to ground zero. We get to find a way out. I think, say, we get to limit and make it be county by county. I think that's the way it will be. Make we from Fontaine will be able for group ourselves, will take care of Libya. Yes. People the day for FACO, they be capable for take care for FACO. Because I don't see this struggle. If people that go kill we for this struggle, not even like Republic, now this leadership them. Who now for this leadership on call and say the leaders at the top for una. Una go stop that una rubbish. If it be say somebody tell una say una fit take ambassador this mugus for the second time, una the lie. Bia don't take we enough for 56 years. Una no go take we again. We no go give una that space. That land go small for all of us. We go chop una with him up. If una think say una fit play people their lives. People they contribute money. Una they take the money, go there, go play in Jambo, go sleep for hotels. Picking they sleep for bush. Mommy they sleep for farm. Hospital, nothing. No medical treatment. God forbid. God forbid. We for better remain with La Republic. It would have even been better to remain with La Republic. Yes, I'm sorry to say this. But I want to talk to the ground zero. I talk to all the diasporans. Please, it's high time we come up with something else. We're going to need to call a new conference. We get to put all those leaders up behind. My year you two are stand up and talk about say you would lead us to Boya. Una the craze. Una the match. The other one don't come say be Sarkozy will contribute money, you carry go Boya. Una the craze. Those guys down there are the ones to take us to Boya. Not from here. We for here will not get nothing for offering from this struggle. The only level they fight at the level for if you help police, but the real people sacrificing all are the people down there. Una see what they happen. How many people they keep for Ekona? How many don't keep for Batibo? How many? But yet una there for America, una there for Europe, una they play, una do. You know mean nothing for una. May God forgive una. May God really forgive una. Because I don't see say so. The fight self not been even a republic the one kill now. Una don't be the murderers. Yes. But they talk to people. The mistake now the people that they keep on supporting una. Because I don't read una mindset. I discover say you are not people we can trust. That's why I say my money will never go to anybody. If we want to contribute money, as from today, I will foster those who work with Eric Tato. I will support every idea of Eric Tato. And I will try to say we'll come out with something else. We will organize ourselves to send our funds directly down to ground zero. Because if also so una, I think say when the more this struggle delay, the better for una. Because now they make more funds. They give an opportunity for where coach can show on television talk nonsense. We no go hear that una nonsense again. Now, very soon I will start hide for street and for Europe. Because when we catch man, we'll chop it raw for straight for Europe. We must be very careful. It's not normal, man. It's crazy. So, my appeal go to all the Ambazonians living outside of the mainland. Brother, we have to join our hands to help our brothers back home. We not stop for contribute this money. We not send them every day for these groups. These groups are 419 people. We not stop. They are all scammers. We get to come up with a different platform. For make sure see the funds of the channel, I'm going to go down straight to ground zero. I think say, if we want to say we succeed with this fight, each country get to take care of the activities. Yes, I will be Libya, but at the same time, I think I be FACO man. So I will support Libya and FACO. Make any man take care for the area. Make any man take care for the jurisdiction. That's the best way to support the land. It's too much, man. What are you doing? What are you saying? What are you doing? So that they kill the Pekin, so Pekin don't sacrifice schools. How many Pekin don't get pregnant because of this struggle? Because of they are at home doing nothing. The only thing they do is what? They only forgot about. They sleep, them put them belly, and it don't mean nothing for una. Mommy then they for bush or matter for combat side. It don't mean nothing for una. That they kill people anyhow. The Republic don't get open will for kill anyhow. It don't mean nothing for una. Una so when small money enter, una start fight. God go punish all una. I tell una say, Ambassador go small for all we. Time they when we want reach that Boya, some people they go pass them for backside before they enter the Boya. May God bless una.